There we go. We're recording now. So, here we go. A nice little Predator motor. This thing's a beast. I'm hoping you can see the stats. I'm trying to get this camera angle right. 212 cc's, overhead valve, horizontal shaft, whatever. I guess that's the orientation of the motor. Either way, this motor looks like it could do work. I want to open it. I'm just going to use my air hammer, chisel, whatever you want to call it. Alright, okay. Damn near cut myself with my crazy ass air hammer. There you go. You know, let me take it out the gun. It's a good air hammer right there. Oh wow, what is this? Instruction manual. What is this? Oh, spark plug tool. That's what that is. That's a little piece of foam. Oh, look at this beast. Wow. Oh my God. Ugh. Oh, this thing's a beast. Ugh. Wow. Look at this. This thing looks so cool. Oh, okay, that works.
Rechargeable?
Huh?
Rechargeable Milwaukee.
Okay. Oh, Milwaukee. Wow.
6,000 lumens.
Wow. Damn, that's a serious flashlight. I don't think it's a cheapy Harbor Freight special.
Yeah, this thing's
Before you use fill gas here, add fuel stabilizer, add engine oil.
Okay.
Oil below.
I'm gonna bring the oil for you.
Yep.
Ooh, that's a
Whoa, it comes with a keyway too.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
3/4, I think. This is 3/4.
Slide it up before you start. You lose it.
Huh?
Slide that key out just in case when you start. Oh.
Oh yeah. You got your whole camera, buddy. Yo, this thing look like a beast. Oh yeah. Oh, this thing got compression. Dang, yeah, that's a beefy little motor. Yo, this is definitely a beefy little engine, man. Cause this thing has definitely got some compression,
Yeah,
yo.
let me get you the funnel.
Pull it. Oh yeah, please. I got funnels here. Look.
The one I got, it's got the little holes. It's perfect, right?
This is it too. Look.
Yeah. But I bring you the other ones too.
This is literally it.
I got
Alrighty. Whatever you say, my dude. Wow, this little thing is a beast. What y'all doing, birds? Okay. Let me see. This bird is huge.
That's the roof.
He's fast, right? He like, yeah, grab me. He's like, yeah, grab me. Oh, I bet.
That's the rooster was a big drip.
Mm-hmm. How much you think it'll?
I don't know. I guess you put it in until it comes out. It should say how much.
I guess so, right?
15, 20 minutes every.
Oh wait, let me see.
And it has fuel stabilizer too.
It doesn't say how much oil to drink add.
That's interesting. Let's not have a quart left, so.
Excuse me.
Yeah, the other rooster got taken away.
Another one got killed?
Well, there was two roosters. The fancy looking one.
Sheesh,
This
yeah.
one's real fancy. But the other one was red, like his top neck. This one,
Mhm.
he disappeared. So that means either a fox got him, an eagle, or yeah, that's it. Vultures, they'll come down and try to get them, but the eagles are bold and the fox. You see it up there?
Yeah, it's coming out now, but I think it's because the motor's leaning.
That's what mine did. The generator did. Oh, I'll smack it. We'll bring the gas.
Yeah, see, because I don't know what's level here.
It's leaning this way now, but
Yeah.
Just don't pull the pull start when it opens.
Nah, it should be good. It should be plenty. keyway's stuck in there. They must glue it in.
You want to leave it? Then leave it.
Yeah, it ain't gonna fly out. I don't think it's gonna fly out.
It ain't we'll find out.
We'll catch it on camera at least.
Your windows are gone. You're good.
Very nice, very nice. That's all I need.
It says run it every 3 months. You must check oil every 8 hours and operate properly. Yeah, I'm gonna buy the nicer new cans. They cost a lot, but I'm gonna just throw away all these junk cans and buy the nice.
No, save them, man. They're useful.
The new modern ones with the little handles.
I'm
and the
sure,
tubes,
yeah,
and,
definitely.
they got them all.
I know. I do want to get me some new ones.
They got a lot. They got a lot. They're $50, but they got them so much more convenient now. You control everything.
All right, let's give it a couple of prime pumps or pulls. Yo, this thing got a torque, dude, or compression.
Ooh.
Got a heavy little motor. All right, so turtle fast. Oh, that was on full throttle open. Wow. Where is start, run, start, fuel on, switch on.
Got a little toggle.
Let's see. Yep. Oh wow.
Feels on.
Wow. Yeah, right? Watch out, man.
Got a little fan.
Yeah, this thing sounds good, yo. It's running perfect. 160 bucks. That thing is awesome, dude. Look at that. Yo, this thing got power. You can hear it.
Two sides to check the oil.
Yep. Oh yeah, this is nice, dude. It start right up, yo. This thing sound like a beast, yo. That, whoa. That's all you need, man. Yo, this thing's a beast.
That is so cool.
That is awesome, man.
Videotape the generator too, Joey.
Oh, man.
Put all that on